Hi, I'm Vishwa and welcome to Flipkart. It is a commonly acclaimed fact that German engineering is the best in the world. And Bosch is a true blue German company that is known for its quality, robust build, aesthetics and user-friendly products. And the Bosch washing machine right here is no exception. It comes equipped with a strong housing, superior finish, an LED display and a fully electronic control dial for all wash and special programs. The most outstanding feature of the Bosch washing machine is the Vario drum. A specially designed stainless steel drum which protects your delicate clothes and fine fabrics. It has the biggest drum in similar capacity segment with a wave droplet design that ensures a deep clean. So now you can wash your new and expensive clothes over and over without having to worry. The Bosch washing machine comes with a unique anti-vibration design of its sidewalls which reduces vibration and noise even during high-speed spin cycles. It has the distinction of being the only brand to have 3 suspensions for better stability. In this day and age of scarcity of water, Bosch does its part to preserve water with its active water feature. An intelligent feature that adjusts the water level by sensing not just the amount of load, but also the type of fabric. And it only ends up using optimum amount of water for every wash, thereby saving both water and energy. To ensure that the laundry is soaked faster and more evenly, this machine employs the optimized water inflow system. With a view to safeguard health and hygiene of the family, this washing machine comes with the standard feature of Allergy Plus or the Hygiene Program, the world's first washing machine with European Center of Allergy Research Foundation certified program to achieve a perfectly hygienic wash. Since not all laundry requires a heavy-duty wash, the Bosch washing machine has a super quick 15 program. A convenient wash cycle of freshening up lightly soiled laundry in just 15 minutes. Another interesting feature is the reload function that allows the user to add or remove clothes in between the washing process. Designed specially to deal with fluctuations and interruptions in power supply, another feature of this machine called Volt Check not only blinks whenever this happens, but also automatically resumes wash from the last cycle when stable power becomes available again. Bosch is serious in its endeavors to provide a long-lasting product and to this end is the only one in the industry to provide steel bottom plate instead of a plastic rat mesh, thus preventing damage from pests by keeping them away from the hardware. Energy efficiency is the top priority for this brand, and on selecting the Eco-Perfect option, the washing machine settles into an eco-friendly mode, thereby reducing energy consumption by up to 50%. To enhance wash quality while protecting its components, 3D AquaSpa wash system is a specially controlled additional water inlet over the gasket that helps keep the gasket clean after every wash and improves rinsing effects. Low water pressure is a common problem in most Indian households. But this Bosch washing machine adapts and works perfectly even at low water pressures of up to 0.3 bar when only around 4 liters of water flows out of the tap per minute. Bosch washing machines come with the external water filter as a standard feature. It purifies water and hence prevents the machine from choking. It also increases the solubility of detergent to give best washing results and at the same time protects the machine from damages due to water impurities. To top it all, Bosch offers warranty of 2 years on the machine and 10 years on the motor. So here goes my final word. The Bosch washing machine comes with impeccable backing of German engineering, which in itself should suffice to satisfy the most discerning customer. And innovative features like Vario drum with wave droplet design, the Eco-Perfect option and the 3D AquaSpa wash mode make it a perfect buy. So are you still thinking? Come and join the Flipkart family, sit back and relax while we bring to you quick doorstep delivery, a hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products and an assured brand warranty. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a perfect buy.